JT-932 is a professional-grade, 32-channel SMA channel, high-performance UHF tag fixed reader demo. It is suitable for warehouse logistics, material control, identification, access control and other fields.
Connect the reader through the serial port. Step 1. Select the correct COM port number of the serial port. If you select the wrong one, the connection will fail. Step 2. Select the correct serial port boot rate of 115,200 bits per second. If you select the wrong one, the connection will fail. Step 3. Read the version number of the reader. If the version number is successfully read, the device is successfully connected. If the version number fails to be read, it means that the device is not truly connected successfully. Step 4. Click to start inventory. The RFID tag data will be displayed in the window of the main interface. Connect the reader through the network port. The first type, device as TCP server node. The reader and writer need to be in the same LAN as the host computer. Step 1. Open the network port parameter setting interface. Step 2. Click Search Device to automatically search. Step 3. Set configure parameters. Keep the IP address and port number consistent with the settings. Read the device version number. Click the Set Parameters button and select TCP Client. Click the Set Parameter. Choose TCP server. Keep the IP address and port number consistent with the settings. RFID tag data will be displayed in the window of the main interface.